So in just about a few seconds, guys, what's going to happen here behind me is 300 drones are going to take to the sky and form different letters. This is part of the Dubai Shopping Festival 2020-2021. So they're going to take to the skies here, form different letters, and there's going to be a drone show happening right here. It's about to start in a few minutes. So they're going to start from here, and then all the drones are going to come out somewhere over here, and then they're going to form different types of shapes over here, guys. So they're going to form the letters, the words Dubai, and there's the TikTok symbol and a lot of other things. I'll show you all of that. I'm just waiting for it to start. This happens 2 times every day, and it's happening till the 30th of January. That's JBR right there, and then right there is Bluewaters Island, and we're at the bridge right now. And this is actually the best place to come and watch these because they're going to happen right here. Only in Dubai would you see such a spectacle, such a display, such an amazing display of drones taking to the sky. It's going to be magical. Alright guys, that is it for today. That was such an epic amazing show, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll be back soon with another one. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Stay safe. Bye bye.